Hey everyone, my name is Nicolas Toma from Pencrest High School located in Media, Pennsylvania, USA. Today, I'll be presenting ASML, a critical player in the semiconductor industry and a company I believe is an exceptional long-term investment. I'll walk you through the ASML's business model, competitive advantages, financials, risks, and my valuation to explain why I see a strong upside potential in this company. ASML is a Dutch company that specializes in photolithography equipment, particularly extreme ultraviolet, or you could call it UV, lithography machines, which are essential for manufacturing the world's most advanced semiconductor chips. ASML operates as a monopoly in the UV space, supplying to major semiconductor companies like TSMC, Intel, and Samsung, with semiconductors becoming the backbone of AI, cloud computing, and advanced consumer electronics. ASML's role is more critical than ever. The semiconductor industry is projected to grow from 527 billion in 2023 to over $1 trillion. ASML's biggest strength is its technological monopoly. It is the only company in the world capable of producing lithography, which are indispensable for manufacturing chips at 5 nm and below. We don't get them. Each machine costs over $200 million, approximately 184 million euros, and 215 million US dollars. And ASML has a backlog of orders spanning several years. This pricing power and the technological lead create massive barriers to entry, preventing competition from eroding its market position. Let's talk financials. I know you guys want to hear about that. ASML has demonstrated strong financial performance with 2024 revenue reaching 27.6 billion euros, approximately 32.2 billion US dollars. At 15% year-over-year growth, the company enjoys high gross margins of 51% and a robust free cash flow of 5.8 billion euros, around 6.8 billion US dollars. Despite global economic uncertainties, ASML's consistent revenue growth and strong margins highlight its financial resilience. These strong fundamentals make it a dependable investment, even in volatile markets. Increasing demand for AI, data centers, and edge computing fuels ASML's long-term growth, with 38 billion euros backlogging, ensuring revenue visibility. Though this is all very good, we need to talk about potential risks. No investment is without risks. ASML faces geopolitical uncertainties, particularly in relation to US-China trade tensions, which have led to export restrictions on its most advanced EUV machines. However, the company has diversified its customer base, with significant orders from Taiwan, South Korea, and the US. Additionally, ASML benefits from long-term contracts and high switching costs, making its revenue streams more stable despite potential regulatory challenges. ASML is positioned for sustained long-term growth due to multiple catalysts. First, the increasing demand for AI and high-performance chips directly boosts its order for its EUV machines. Second, the upcoming rollout of high-NA EUV technology will enable even more advanced semiconductor manufacturing, further strengthening ASML's technological edge. Lastly, governments worldwide are investing in domestic semiconductor production, fueling more demand for ASML's equipment. ASML is currently trading at $703.36 as of March 12th, 2025, at the time of this video's recording. Based on my valuation models, I project a price target of $1,100.83, representing a 56.5% increase from its current price. This forecast is driven by ASML's strong revenue growth, high margins, and dominant market position when compared to historical valuation multiples and industry peers. ASML remains undervalued given its future earnings potential. Given this significant upside, my investment recommendation is a strong buy. To conclude, ASML's monopoly on EUV technology, financial resilience, and AI-driven demand make it a compelling long-term investment with strong upside potential. Given its dominance in the semiconductor industry and its monopolization of the industry, we can see that there will be extreme and immense growth of this company. Thank you, and I'm happy to take any questions when I move on to the next round.